friends, what's up? My name is Roshan. Today I'll be explaining about the different evidences of evolution. Okay, so what comes to your mind when I say the word evolution? A few might say the way apes became humans, while others might say the genes that changed to the way we are now. Alright, evolution can be defined in many different ways. There's no particular definition for it. What proof do we have that this is the truth? Think about it. How can we know about something that happened millions of years ago? It has been proved by scientists that dedicated their entire lives to find out about evolution. There's much evidence that explains how evolution happened and also if it really happened. In this video, I'll be giving a few pieces of evidence on how evolution happened. First, we have fossil records. You all know about fossils. You know those imprints on rocks that are maybe like thousands and maybe even millions of years old.
Meanwhile,
Whoa! Finally! I found the spider attack fossil! Hey there, what is that? Oh, that's a very rare fossil that was buried under the soil 100 million years ago. You see those stuff? Those are fossils. They provide a record of the past and can indicate change in organisms and between species generally over time. Next, we have biogeography. Biogeography is the study of how different species are distributed in the world and the causes of the distributions. The result of biogeography is adaptive radiation. Adaptive radiation is the process where various species evolve rapidly as they adapt to new conditions. No, it's not a pig who's turning into a rhino. For example, let's say how whales used to be land animals and now we see them swimming in water as an aquatic animal. Another evidence of evolution is embryology. Embryology is an important research area to know about the impact of mutation and the progression of genetic disorders. Another evidence of evolution is comparative anatomy. Comparative anatomy is the study of the similarities and differences in the anatomy of different species to determine their relation to one another. There are three different types of structures in comparative anatomy: homologous structures, analogous structures, and vestigial structures. So homologous structures have similar bone structures but different functions and also have a common ancestor. A few animals that have homologous structures are humans, whales, and cats. Analogous structures have different structures but similar functions and do not have a common ancestor. A few animals that have analogous structures are insects, bats, and birds. Vestigial structures are also called evolutionary leftovers, as their anatomy that used to be necessary for survival but are no longer needed for the organisms. It also gives evidence that they had a common ancestor. A few examples are the pelvic bone of a human and the wings of flightless birds. Last but not least, we have DNA analysis. DNA and RNA analysis provide a strong evidence that organisms have evolved from a common ancestor. Examining DNA provides us with a static picture of what a cell or organism might do or become, whereas measuring RNA lets us see what a cell/organism is actually doing right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, classmates, family, anyone. If you enjoyed my explanation, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more bangers like this. See you next time.